Well, here we are, New Year, and it's been so windy today that our power went out earlier today because the wind has gotten up to 75 miles an hour and gusts of 80 at times. And I kind of believe that because what happened was my brother was out walking today, this afternoon, walked by the power pole down the road from me here, and the pole was snapped off right at the base, and the guy wires were flopping into the power line, creating sparks. So he finally was able to get a hold of the power company, police department, fire department, because this is right next to the main road, just right next to Military Road to get into our place here. So yeah, so that was fun. So, but they cut the power off because they had to switch it over. So we were out of power for a while, not too long. But yeah, it's something else. So all kinds of fun. And then my brother came over because I had finished working on this shortwave receiver, and I'm not getting hardly anything out of it. And I'm saying, well, this doesn't make sense. It's not, something's not right. And number one, they sent me half the parts the wrong value, so I had to find the ones that were right value out of my own stuff. And then when I did put it together. I mean, this is the completed circuit board. That's it right there. Totally complete. I had my brother check the back where I soldered. He said, well, you only had like one solder joint. It looked like it wasn't, you know, completely soldered. But other than that, all my other solder joints are fine. And so he looks at it and he says, well, shoot. He starts measuring it, and I'm not getting any power to the IC at two places. And he starts looking at it and he says, what are you talking? It looks like they went ahead and they reversed the silk screen on it. They've got it wrong. The silk screen is the stupid thing. So whatever you do, do not go to eBay and buy anything. This is, like I said, this is the second time I got something from these guys, and even after putting it together, it's wrong. Do not go to Pirate Pete Electronics. If you see anything like that on eBay, don't bother even to buy the damn thing. I mean, this was $46. That's what this stupid thing costs, and it doesn't even work. It's just a total waste of time. I mean, it took me, well, actually about 4 or 5 nights to go through and wire this thing up. I mean, it's totally crazy. And then to come up with something like this piece of junk. So yeah, so don't ever buy anything from these guys. I mean, oh yeah, they sent me the paperwork. They went ahead and sent me stuff back, but even that's screwed up. You can't even go by that. I mean, the schematics on there is kind of screwed up. It's got 2 different types of radios on their schematics, so nothing makes any sense. So yeah, it's a total disaster. Then on top of that, you know, you had to wind your own coil. I had to wind that myself. They don't give you anything for it. They say, oh, use this hookup wire and just go ahead, and they don't even give you bare wire for it. No, what do? They give you this, and they say, well, just strip all the wire off and put 40 turns on a dowel or something, whatever. Well, I end up having wire of my own on reels that are, you know, copper wire. So I went ahead and made my own. But even then, even doing that, still total waste of time. So yeah, if you ever see any of those things again, I mean, I'll never trust anything these guys have. It's all junk. It's a bunch of garbage. So anyway, so that's nothing but a big waste of time. I should have put together one of my FM radio kits I got. But anyway, that's going to be it for me. And because I don't have anything else going on other than it being cold. But we're finally going to get some 40-degree weather. It's in the 30s still right now. But our snow has turned to ice outside. And we still have snow still left out there. Half my yard's full of it. But anyway, that's going to be it for me. I'll talk to you guys later. Here he goes.